In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete draft posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hit at that plus sign, and that will show you your camera roll. And then towards the middle of the screen, just next to recents, you can easily find drafts. You can just tap on it, and that will show you all your drafts. And now all you have to do is just hit right here at manage, and then just hit on edit and select all the drafts that you want to remove. Currently I got just one draft, but if you got multiple drafts, you can select several drafts at the same time. And once you've done with that, hit at done, and then it will prompt you to discard that post. Just hit at discard post to permanently remove that draft, just like that. After that, you will be taken back to that screen, and as you can see, the draft option is no longer showing here because currently I don't have any drafts. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.